Hey guys, this is Arnab. Welcome to Plain Droid. While you are making any screen recording video, it may be educational video or any gaming video or any instructional video you are making by recording your screen, then it is necessary to show your tap marks or the touch marks, whatever you can say. That your viewer can easily understand what you are exactly doing, where you are exactly touching. So it is very necessary to enable the touch marks or show tap marks in your Android phone. So in this video today, I will show you how to enable these touch marks or tap marks in your Android phone. So guys, many of you know already about these features, and some of you don't know. This video is for those friends who don't know how to enable these features. You can see a small white circle moving around. This is my touch marks. Where I'm touching, there is a small white circle appearing. This is my touch marks. You have to enable this option if you want to show your touch marks. So what you have to do, you have to go to your settings first. After going to settings, you have to go system. Here you can get an option, developer option, if you have already enabled it by tapping your build number 3 times. After tapping your build number 3 times, this developer option will be enabled in your phone, and then you will get this option in your system. Okay, in your option there is this option system. You will get developer option. You have to go this developer option, and you have to scroll down, and you have to find inputs. Here in the section inputs, you can see show tabs. Okay, show tabs. You can enable it or disable it. If you enable it, you can show your touch marks or tap marks, whatever you can say. You can show this if you enable this. So what you have to do, you have to just go to your settings, then you have to go to system, then you have to go to developer option, then you have to go to your input section here, and then you have to enable this show tabs option. Okay, you can directly go to this option also by tapping this search settings option. Here is a option search settings, a search bar. You can search here show tab. Okay, if you search here, you can go directly to this option. You can see this. You can then enable it or disable it. Okay, guys, only you are my motivation. If you subscribe my channel, I will get more motivation to make more better videos for you. And if you want to get connected with me in Facebook and Instagram, then you can join my Facebook page and Instagram page. The link is in my description. You can ask me, you can tell me what you exactly need, what you want to know about any Android apps or any game related videos in my Instagram or Facebook. I will definitely make videos on that. So guys, hit the like button, share my video, and to subscribe my channel. Thank you.